everyone, welcome back to Rozzy's channel. Today I'm going to be making Akara beans cake, popularly called Akara. So I'm going to be using this black high beans and pepper and onions. I'm going to slice this pepper and onions. So first I'm going to soak these beans up to 30 minutes to 1 hour. When it's soaked, I'll wash it with this. So you can use blender to peel off the skin. I'm going to use this to peel off the skin, so it's very fast for me. But if you like, you can use your blender to peel off the skin, but I prefer using this to peel off the skin. So when it's soaked, I'm going to soak it right now. When it's soaked, I'll wash it. Just make sure that your water is up to the top. Just have to cover the beans. So I'm going to wait like about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Guys, if you feel that the time spending in this akara is too long, because it's really good. Sometimes kids don't like eating beans, so the only way you make them to eat beans is akara, because my kids love this akara so much. So every weekend we make akara with pap or custard with milk, so they love it. So sometimes if you cannot be able to do everything once, like soaking the beans, washing it, so what we just do is just for you, you might have to wash your beans down in the evening and put into the fridge. Put in the fridge. In the morning you blend everything and start frying the akara. So it's very easy. Yeah, the beans is soaked now, so I'm going to be washing it. So just be peeling the skin off with this, which I prefer than blending, like using blending to peel off the skin. But if that's what you want, you can try to do that. The beans is getting clean, as you can see. So you have to just scrub it like this to remove the skin off. Kids that don't like beans, you can still try this method. My kids, they don't like beans like that, but they like akara. So when I make akara for them every Saturday, that's when I make akara with custard, sometimes bread, pap. So it's very delicious and it's a very good meal. As you can see, it's very clean, and the process of washing the beans took me like 1 hour 30 minutes, and I'm going to wait like about 20 minutes to be wet soak, and I will blend it with blending machine. I'll start frying it. So guys, I know some of you might think the process is too long, so you can as well take your time, wash your beans and fry your akara. It's not going to get bad, so you can put it in the freezer. So anytime, any day, wherever time you want to take it, you can take it. So you can take it as dinner, as breakfast, as lunch. So just is a good meal for everybody, and especially kids likes it a lot. So guys, let's start doing it. Our beans is well soaked. I don't want it to be too much soaked, so I'm going to blend it right now. and you don't want to add much into the blender. I'm just adding as much as my blender can take. Yeah, I've blended it. You don't want it to be too smooth, so it's just okay like this because you want the crushing part of it. So when you want your akara to be crushing, blended it. At this time, I'm going to beat the beans very well so until it will be light, because I want the akara to be crunchy. And I've sliced the pepper and onions aside. I'm going to use salt. You add salt. I beg you, please, you add salt, a little bit of salt to it. You don't want your salt to be too much, because when salt is too much for beans, you don't, I bet you won't like the taste. So I'm going to be using peanut oil. So that's only things I use. So if you want to add your seasoning powder to your beans, to your akara, it's fine. But this is what I like using, and this is how my mom taught me. Yeah. Make sure you are turning it very well and not so fast, so that you don't want to mess up everywhere. So just to be doing it. You can still sweat test from it. If you feel your salt, you have to test from the side. If you feel it's not, your salt is not much, it's not okay, the taste is not okay, you can add. But this one is just perfect. I already add oil into the pan, so just have to wait a little bit, like 5 minutes, so that the oil will be well hot. And you don't want your oil to be too hot. It's low heat, so you don't want to get your akara burned. So guys, I already turned the beans. Is very light now. At this point, you want to see if your oil is already hot. Just have to put a little bit of it here. You just want to use this to clean off your oil. So I don't even know why my mom was doing this then, but I know you just want to taste. You just have to see if the oil is well hot before she can start frying the akara. Oh, I need some. Yeah, these are the little one I put at first. Yeah, look at how crunchy is it. Yeah, I'm going to add pepper. This is how my mom was doing it then. The oil is too hot. I have to do it. Just want to flip them. I'm just going to remove all this. They are brown enough and wet dried. These are the one without the pepper. Yeah. Those ones that you are seeing like still light, not that brown. And those ones I put them last. So that the case one, there's no pepper. Just want to show you guys inside. You see? Hey people, thank you for watching to the end. If there are any questions you want to ask, please feel free to write a comment down below. I'll try to answer all your questions. And thank you for watching this video. This is Rozzy Kitchen. If you are new to Rozzy Kitchen, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.